All right, so now over here, as we talked about before, we've got our folder, we've got our file that's on the repo. I'm gonna go to, oops, let's go to git bash, and let's do a thing called git status. So we're trying to see if there's any changes um, on our local that's not on our main branch, which would be on GitHub. And I'm not seeing anything on main. So what we can do then is, since I'm here and I see the README file, this is a change from local, which means my local computer here, using, let's go Visual Studio Code. All right, so we'll put a little period there, and I'm going to save it. So I go Control S, should save that, and you see a little indication right here that we have now made a change, and it's not something that is committed. So let's go status now. So git status, and we can see that one file was modified. So as it says in the our little indicator here, we've got our little file modified, and then we can commit that by, all right. So then right now I can push it out to staging. So this is stage it. So I can go git add, and then I can either do the individual file like the README. So I can just type like the initial letter or a few letters, and then hit tab, and so then I can add this to staging, or I can do all files if there's more than one, um, and so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me look up status again, git status, and then we can see that it's modified, but it's in the green, so that's it's get restored on stage. So we're ready to be able to push this out. All right, now that stage, it's not actually committed to our repo, which is now on GitHub or here. So I can do that by doing git commit, and then I want to make sure you kind of have to have this, but dash m is for message, and then we'll put a message in here that said, you know, added a new line. So it's what's to read me. Um, and then we can then add a message, another for the description, to there would be a lot more text here, but this is for extra information. All right, and then I can commit this. So this is going to be mostly the main thing that people are going to see. And then here's the description of a little bit more information. This is going to definitely allow more characters than this one. So then we're going to commit it and added the new change to the README file. Okay, so just remember these two uh, dash m's right here. Let me go now to all right. So let me go to our repo and we can refresh this here. Oh, and it's not going to be here right now. But what I wanted to show you was that when you do make a commit, like we did kind of down here before, there is um, the two messaging sections. This is the first dash m. This is second dash m. So now that you are aware of that, we'll go back to Visual Studio Code.